is Saili Rajendrawani. Today's video's topic is conditional statements in Java. Java compiler executes the code from top to bottom. The statements in the code are executed according to the order in which they appear. However, Java provides statements that can be used to control the flow of the Java code. Such statements are called as the control flow statement. It is one of the fundamental features of Java, which provides a smooth flow for the program. Java provides three types of control flow statements. First is decision making, which includes if statement and switch statement. Second is loop statement, which includes do while loop, while loop, for each loop. Third is jump statement, which includes break and continue statements. So let's discuss decision making statements. As this the name suggests, decision making statements decide which statements to execute, and when. Decision making statements evaluate the Boolean expression and control the flow of the program depending upon the result of the condition provided. So there are mainly two types of decision making statements in Java: if statement and switch statement. So let's discuss if statement. In Java, the if statement is used to evaluate the condition. The control of the program is diverted depending upon the specific condition. The condition of the if statement gives a Boolean value, which is true or false or 0 or 1. So there are four types of if statements in the Java: simple if statement, if else statement, and nested if statement. So what is exactly simple if statement? It is the most basic statement among all the control flow in the Java. Evaluates a Boolean expressions. Next is the nested if else statement. The if else statement is an extension to the if statement, which uses another block of code, that is else block. The else block is executed if the condition of the if block is false. So next is nested if else statement, means if else if ladder. The if else if statement condition the contains the if statement followed by multiple else if statement, and in other words we can say that it is the chain of if else statement that create a decision from where the program may enter the block of code from the condition is true. So next is nested if statement. And in nested if statement, the if statement can contains a if or else statements inside another if or else statements. Next is we can discuss next is a switch statement. In Java, switch statements are similar to the if else if statement. The switch statement is a multiple block of codes, which is known as cases, or a single case is executed based on the variable being switched. The switch statement is easier to use instead of if else statement, enhance the readability of the program. Thank you.